In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to block adult websites on your Android phone. By following a few simple steps, you'll be able to take control of the online content that can be accessed from your Android phone, promoting a safer and more secure browsing experience for yourself and others who may use the device. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap where it says Privacy and Security. Once you are on this page, scroll down again and tap Use Secure DNS. Toggle on this switch to enable this feature. And then tap where it says Choose another provider. And then tap where it says Customized. To block adult websites on your Android phone, simply tap and select Clean Browsing, Family Filter. Now, adult websites will be blocked. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.